Hello, Mrs. Hibbard from Durham Music here. Now for this Moovy Monday video, we're using movement to develop our skills in following the beat and moving in time to the music. We'll be following a sequence that helps us understand a little more about music and how the beats are grouped together. We'll be moving to music that is in what we call 4/4 time, which means the beats are grouped into bars of 4 beats per bar. As I teach you the pattern and we go through the sequence, you will hear me counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and even 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I hope that when you come to joining in and going through the whole sequence at the end, that you too are also counting in your own head all of the time. Now the song we're using today is called the Jive, but we're not going to be jiving like this. Our routine is more of a line dance, so we're using our feet and stepping in lots of different ways, and we're going to be moving in a bit of a square routine. Jive is a song written by Ben Auckland and Milton Drake back in 1940, 61 years ago, so it's a very old song, but choirs and singing groups are still enjoying this song because it's a little bit silly. It's about one man's love of coffee. Okay, so it's a really fab song. Now this exercise, it's also going to stretch your memory skills because you have to remember the pattern and you have to do it 8 times. So we do our square twice, okay? One direction, turn across the other side, so it's in the square twice through. So have a quick stretch and let's get learning. I hope you've had a good stretch and are ready to move and ready to learn this sequence. This is my square. You don't need as big a space as this. You can use a smaller space if that's what you've got. Now I'm going to start in this top corner here, and the first step is this. Now remember, I am not a mirror image. I am using my right foot, and you need to use your right foot as well. I am not a mirror image. So just have a look how my right foot will look as though it's on the other side of your right foot. So bar 1 goes 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, 4. Try that with me, right foot first. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, 4. So that's 2 bars. 4 beats this way and 4 beats back. The next bar goes 1, 2, 3, 4. But as we step, we do a click when your foot comes in, and again there. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it with me. Off you go. Step, click, step, click. Let's try from the beginning. 1, 2, off we go. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, 4. Side, click. Well done. Now the next beat is possibly the trickiest because we do a bit of a do-si-do or grapevine. We put our right foot to the side and then left foot goes behind, and then the right foot goes to the side again. So we've moved along. So come back here. We go right, left behind, right, left. So we've moved along a little bit. Try it again. Right, left behind, right, left. Let's try it from the beginning. 1, 2, off we go. Right, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, 4. Step, click, right, left behind, right, left. Well done everybody. Next bar is right heel spin, left heel spin. Try that with me. Right, then left, and then we go right heel forwards, left heel forwards. Try that with me. Well done. And then after the heels, we do a bit of a shuffle, right foot first, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'll show you that again. So right foot forwards, it goes right, left, right, left. Then to finish, right foot forwards and turn this way. So you turn to the left. You always turn to the left so that then you do the same sequence in a different direction. Turn to the left, turn to the left, and you end up back where you started. I will show you the whole sequence. 1, 2, off we go. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, 4. Step, click, right, left. Spin on your right, spin on your left, right heel, left heel. Now shuffle, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, right foot forwards, then turn. Then we do it all in this direction. Right foot first, off we go. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, 4. Right, click, left, click, right, left behind, right, left. Right heel spin, left heel spin, right heel, left heel, shuffle right, shuffle left, right foot forwards and turn. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, 4. Right, click, left, left behind, right, left. Right heel spin, left heel spin, right foot, left foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Right foot forwards and turn. So far we've just done 3 of the sequences. So when we've done 4, we would end up back here. So the 5th time would be in this direction. The 6th time is along here. Now on the 7th time, which is the penultimate time, because we do it 8 times, there is an extra bar. It's very strange. This is very rare. It doesn't happen in music very often. But right at the end, there's an extra bar when we do right foot forwards and turn. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do the last sequence. So let's try that from the 7th go, because it's a good chance for you to practice with me facing this way. So we're on the same side. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, kick, right, click, left, click, right, left. Spin on your heel, right heel, left heel, right, shuffle right, shuffle left, right foot forwards and turn, sway and sway, then we do the last turn. Okay, and at the very end, when we finish, there's a chance to do a bit of a jazz hands to finish, because it has been an epic routine to a fantastic jazz song.
I love coffee, I love tea, I love the Jive and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Jive and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. I love coffee, I love tea, Java, Jive, and it loves me. Coffee and tea, and the Java and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. Slip me a slide from that wonderful mug, and I'll cut it right just to stuck in a jug. And sliced up onion under row one. Row one. Waiter, percolator. I love coffee, I love tea. I love the Java, Jive, and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Java